Hello everyone, I'm Sadia Afrin from Group 12. Here are the other team members of our group. Today we are presenting the project management plan of Pacific Highway Upgrade Project. This is the content of our presentation. So the part of the Pacific Highway we are focusing on is from Port Macquarie to Coffs Harbour. It's a transformative infrastructure project aimed at renovating about 145-kilometer stretch of road into modern 4-lane divided highway. It will significantly increase the traffic safety and reduce the travel time by a lot. A detailed risk register is attached in the final report, but here are some key risks that we have identified. The geotechnical risk, which involves the unstable embankments threatening the groundwater pressure, can be mitigated using rockfill burns and soldier piles. The unstable weather and environmental conditions that can also result in permit issues and fines can be mitigated using planning weather-related activities in specific seasons and engaging with the authorities beforehand. The resource deficiencies can be tackled by having multiple suppliers and having pre-agreed labor contracts, also having backup equipments.
Hi everyone, I'm Van. Today I will present about the schedule. It play important role in construction project, essential to ensuring efficiency and effective project management. Uh, we begin by identifying case stack and arrange them logically along with estimated time limit to create a comprehensive timeline. In our project, we will cover seven steps. First of all is the project initiation. Secondly, feasibility study and site assessment. Thirdly is engineering and design. Then permitting and approval. After that is procurement and then construction and installation. And finally is integration and collection. About summary of the project schedule, which span around 2100 days, including key phase such as project initiation, construction, and integration. We will also discuss about assumption underpinning our schedule, uh, including work week structure, stakeholder engagement. Our work week span 5 day operating from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. With 1 hour break for lunch. In total 8 working hour daily following a fair work act with outline standard working condition in Australia.
Now coming to the costing of the project, the major categories include labor, materials, plant and equipment, and legal works. All the calculations are done using the Cordell Commercial Building Cost Guide published in 2020. A 10% contingency is applied to the project. It is a conservative estimate so that the project remains within the budget and also ensures any extra cost that arise. This is the summary of the total cost. The total cost is about $7.5 billion. The major part of the cost goes into the construction and installation, which includes the material and equipment cost and also the labor cost in all stages.
Hi everyone, my name is Haseeb. Let's start by looking at the work health and safety risk involvement in Pacific Highway upgrade and how we are addressing them. Falls from height are significant risk in any construction project. We mitigate this through the use of safety harnesses and guardrails. So for heavy machinery accidents, to minimize these type of accidents, only certified operators are allowed to handle machinery. And for fatigue and stress, managing fatigue is crucial, especially on long shifts. We Now moving on to the environmental consideration. There are different environmental challenges which are noise pollution, erosion and sedimentation and waste management. For erosion control, we use silt fences, sediment curtains and erosion resistant materials.
Hello everyone, my name is Morshirat Mobashira. I will be presenting site management. I will begin with assumptions. Employees should be trained and certified for smooth workflow. Equipment delivered on time will allow us to meet the deadlines. Moving on to next slide, site specific constraint is where smooth traffic flow will be maintained, and on-time material delivery and strict adherence to safety and environmental regulations, which would eventually lead to zero accidents. Moving on to traffic and planned access, where trucks will be routed not along the Pacific Highway with limited access points to minimize disruption, and traffic controls will manage the flow. Lastly, environmental management, hydraulic control. We will implement water diversion and sediment traps during the wet season, and in dry season we will reuse water for dust control and stabilize exposed soil to prevent from erosion.
Hi, my name is Malik Nawaz, and now today I discuss the importance of monitoring and controlling. Uh, I discussing the how I identify the risk in the project associated, and what is the examples and how I mitigate the strategies. So here's the table shown to the risk category and the strategies I applied to mitigate the risk. The main factors in the monitoring and controlling is like scope. We have to tackle with scope, cost, and the time also. And as the handover processes, the handover transfer the Port Macquarie and Cove. We specific deal with the Port Macquarie and Coffs. So from the construction to the operation, we collect the data and make the reports, and also a lot of checklists to do to make our project in line and has a great efficiency. Like here are the some financial aspects of the handovers and description and the purposes. So I mentioned here in the table. In team reflection, we improved significantly by learning from past mistakes. Also, we improve our communication because communication is a key to success. So also we effective do a risk management and this. Here are the some references we use to collect the data. So here's the reference. And thanks for your time. Thank you.